The DMARC, or Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, is a method to reduce email spam and phishing attacks. It utilizes existing email authentication methods, such as Sender Policy Framework and Domain Keys Identified Mail. To enable this feature, use the DMARC Wizard tool to create a DMARC policy for your domain and then add it to your DNS records. Here's how to do it. In your dashboard, go to DMARC Wizard under the Email section. Select your domain name in the Domain field. From the drop-down menu, choose the desired policy type. If unsure, the recommended option is None, which means you'll only monitor DMARC reports without taking action on emails that fail the DMARC check. Optionally, click Advanced Options for further customization of your DMARC policy. Here, you can specify the DKIM identifier, the SPF identifier, the policy percentage, and the action for emails failing the DMARC check. Click Add DMARC to generate your domain's DMARC record. The DNS record is automatically added for you as a text record with _DMARC as the host name. You've now successfully added a DMARC record to your domain using the DMARC Wizard tool. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at Host Maria Support Ticketing System. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using Host Maria Ticketing System. Thank you.